This is something being start to lose Vietnam since all its rocket-based launches to the front of the islands, in front of Vietnam, to protect your country. Because again, the lot, you got China and Russia going to have warfare there. You got the United States and Korea are going to have war games there. It's going to be a good time. Vietnam just wants to be ready in case something happens. In case something happens to China. Well, never know. Never know, man. Never know. Until that lady sings, you never know. War's breaking out all over this year. War's breaking out all over. War's opening up all over. Good time. Syria, Iraq, Afghanistan, Yemen, Kenya. You just never know. It's just something they start to lose. Vietnam's just trying to protect itself from any attack. We would all have run to rocket launchers. The new state of the art rocket launchers come from front lines. It's hoped to be rocket launchers. We're just going to start a war. Nobody has any problem. Yeah. Someday, start with. Thank you for watching.